Hello again. I'm going to apologise again. You know what? Yeah. Just been on a driving lesson, so there's today's excuse. We're going to do some more Scottish today. Now, if you watched my last Cornish post, I was just showing all the books I've got that helped me so much. But, I'm gonna show you one book this time, and it's this. I bought this off eBay, Collins Scots Dictionary. Now I thought, okay, fair enough, English, Scots, Scots, English. No, Scottish. What's the word? Sort of tongue, what colloquial language, really. Scots, English, you know what I mean. Ken is to know, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. You got bonny and lass and wee. I don't want that. I don't want it. The most I've got is Alpa, whatever, which is Scotland. And not happy at all. But I do have this book. It's fun. That's what I'm going to do some other things for. So. Done these, so I'm going to go on to about the weather. Madinvar it's a good morning. It's nice. It's fine would be Hybria. Manx you'd say brow, and Welsh would say brow, as you would in Cornish as well. Very similar, I love it. If you want to say it's raining just now, you have to bear with me on this one. Han Tushk, that's right, Tushkaun Andrasta. Han Tushkaun Andrasta. You're gonna have to post video replies or something. That'd be great, actually. If someone could do, post back and show how it's really done. I'm just hopeless. It's cloudy. Hi, Skawach. I think basically looking at high, which is pronounced like that. I think that it is. Hoping that's it. Yes, it is. It is, or he is as well. It's ha. One more because I did this in Cornish just recently. Antoru go pench. Hold on. How do you say that? Pinch? Antor Hugo Pink. I'm gonna let you find out. Actually, don't know. Please give me a pint. If I ever go to Scotland, that is what I'll be using. Thanks for watching. Wait there. What is by? I do remember. No, I do remember. Hold on. Slanlet. Yes. Slanlet. Thank you very much.